Today we're diving deep into a professional-grade DSLR that still holds strong in 2024, the Nikon D4. Build design. The Nikon D4 features a magnesium alloy body, making it incredibly durable and weather-sealed for extreme conditions. It's big and heavy, no doubt, but that's because it's packed with power, sensor image quality. Inside, you get a 16.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, backed by Nikon's X3 processor. Now that might sound low by today's standards, but this sensor was designed for speed and low-light excellence. You can shoot clean images even at ISO 6400 and beyond. Video capabilities. The D4 still delivers 1080p at 30 frames per second with clean HDMI output. It's great for B-roll or interviews. But it's not meant to compete with modern hybrid cameras. Still, the image quality is sharp and the colors are Nikon accurate. Battery storage. The ENEL18 battery offers incredible endurance, expect around 2,500 shots per charge. As for storage, it uses both compact flash and XQD cards for fast write speeds and reliability, which is perfect for event shooters. Overall, the Nikon D4 may not be the newest kid on the block, but it's still a legend that can hold its own. With exceptional build quality, great low-light performance, and insane speed, it's a camera that's aged with grace. Thank you so much.